the best things about this system overall, though, is the fact that you can be very versatile. So if you want to invest into an ecosystem where it's like one brand and you can kind of get all of your clips and accoutrements, whatever, from the same brand and have it all ready to rock and roll, this would be a really, really good option. For those of you guys that already have your full battle belts, you already have your chest rigs, your inside the waistband, your 3 dress belts and your 2 tactical belts for carrying a gun, whatever it might be, this might not be for you. But if you're looking to consolidate and condense your systems, or if you're looking to get into it, this would be the option. So either A, you could buy their actual belt system setup, which takes the receiver like this, and it goes on the inside. You can mount multiple receivers. You can also use the little inserts to attach modular receivers that are not as permanent. So because of that, you could then take your inside the waistband off, put on your outside the waistband, put on your mag pouches, your first aid kit, whatever extra gear equipment you might need. Or, you can always take your gun with your holster, slip it into your bag like this, so that way if you're on the go, you have your sling bag, your backpack, whatever it might be. And then let's say you need to wear your gym shorts, your yoga pants, your dress pants that you can't get the right tactical belt for, or concealed carry belt for. This is the option. So this is their Beltless bridge. This little carrier itself is a bridge that goes across. It has 1 receiver here on the center of it, and it has 2 ulti clips on the sides. On the back, you can see this flopping around. This is their extra pad that you can buy. I opted for this just because I'd rather have the extra comfort if I'm going to be trying it out. So what's nice about this is that these clips, if you guys are familiar with them, they're extremely freaking hard. So because of that, when you snap these things down in place, they stay on in place. Okay. I could take pants that I'm wearing today, like these, that don't have belt loops. I could attach this onto it, put my gun on, I can go about my day. I can keep a firearm on me, and I don't have to worry about not having the gun or having to carry a sling bag or a fanny pack or a satchel or a backpack, whatever it might be. For those of you that are looking, this might be an option for you. Let's take a look further in depth of it being used, so that way we can see how it looks drawing and reholstering on this. You clamp it down, rinse, lather, repeat. As you guys can see from the shooting footage, it's pretty rock solid, it's pretty firm. We can jump up and down with it, right? We don't have to worry about it falling off. It is gonna bounce and go with you just like anything else would. If you were rolling around, I don't think that this is gonna come off. I think your shorts might come off first. But so as you guys can see here, right, these clips are on, they're nice and tight. If I want to pop them, they do take a good amount of force to pop them open like that. Okay, at that point I could then take off the other one, pop it off. So it does take a good amount of force. In terms of concealment, if you're wearing it, baggier stuff, I think you could probably get away with wearing something like this. Now, is this something I would go with a run on? Probably not. It's not going to be the most comfortable. It is probably going to start bouncing a little bit too much, but I don't think you have to worry about the retention of the gun. Even then, something that was of concern to me was if the holster was going to be too tight or too loose, and if I would have to adjust retention for the gun. This retention has been set the same as when I had it on a regular thick belt, whether it was like a Magpul, a Vetter, or any of those other brands that make like thick leather belts, or even using my first Spear, ESS, or any of those other brands also. So again, I think it's perfectly set up the way it is. This is a great viable option for those looking to have a holster that cannot find something to go with their beltless pants. As always, guys, I'm Ryan with Mantis Defense. Stay safe, shoot straight.